Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Instagram tag mode. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Now open these three lines. Now scroll down. Here you can see accessibility and translations. Press on this. Now you can see here dark mode. Click on it. If you want to enable your dark mode, then press on this on option. That's it. So this is how to enable dark mode on your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.